This is a video tutorial to do a ribbon and media calibration for a ZT411. Enter the menu, choose the print menu, then choose sensors, and then manual calibration. Once you start the manual calibration, you will be prompted to open the side panel and then remove the ribbon. All you need to do is open the print head and simply pull the ribbon out off to the side. After pressing next a few times, you will be prompted to load backing. All you need to do is remove a few labels from your material and then roll the backing to underneath the media sensor. The media sensor is located here. All you need to do is simply ensure your backing is between this bar. After that, close the print head and press next. Once the backing calibration is done, you're going to return the printer to a working state. You're going to reload the media to where paper is under the print head, and you're also going to reinstall the ribbon. Since you didn't break the ribbon, all you need to do is pull the slack, tuck it under the print head, and then wind up any slack until the ribbon is smooth once again. Finally, close the print head, press next, and calibrate. That is the entire ribbon and media calibration. When done, you should be able to press feed and get one label each and every time.